Hey guys, here we are again, Brandon, Auto Advantage with a 2011 4-cylinder Toyota Venza with only 47,973 original miles. 47,000 miles. It does have steering wheel controls, does have an aftermarket, a backup camera, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, traction control, super nice. You can see the interior is just very, very nice. It has a longer wheelbase, so it's very comfortable, especially for road trips. And it does come with the Toyota reputation of longevity. There it is. It's in an exterior silver color. Very nice fog lamps. Motor's clean. Motor's been serviced. You can see the Carfax and 25 pictures and this video on our website at www.ibuycleancars.com. That's ibuycleancars.com. Again, Brandon, Auto Advantage. There you go. Seats go right down, Home Depot run, Costco run, anything like that. Very user-friendly, plenty of room. You got an e-bike, you got a mountain bike, you got a surfboard. Both seats go down flat. It does have the cargo cover. Pull this. See that? How easy? Just pull this handle right here. The seats go down. It's very, very convenient and very user-friendly. Again, 2011 Toyota Venza. Only 47,000 original miles. Clean, well-maintained, already smogged. Power seat on the driver's side. Lumbar feature. And as I mentioned, it does have a spacious interior. This is very cool too. Slides back. You got plenty of room in the center console. This lifts up. Plenty of room. Seats are flat at the moment. But as you can see, it's just a very, very nice car. The AC is on and it is cranking. Again, Brandon, Auto Advantage. Let's give me a call, 760-280-7648, or check us out on our website at www.ibuycleancars.com. Come see us. All of our vehicles come with a complimentary warranty. We do finance. We have 5 different lenders. We do take trades, and we've been doing this quite a long time. Please check us out on Yelp at Auto Advantage. We have great presence on Yelp, and we are here to help you guys. Bless you guys. Call and ask for Brandon, 760-280-7648. Until we meet in person, thank you.